Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. I'm really glad you're here today. Let me ask you something. When someone says hi to you in English, do you always reply with hello? That is not wrong, but native speakers use many real greetings every day. In this video, you will learn real English greetings that people actually use. You will learn when to use them and how they sound naturally. And you will practice speaking with me, slowly and clearly. If you watch this video till the end, you will feel more confident greeting people in English. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Fluent World Podcast for daily English speaking practice. All right, let's begin. Greetings are the first step in any conversation. If your greeting sounds natural, the other person feels comfortable. You don't need difficult English. You just need the right greeting at the right time. Now, let's learn them. Casual, everyday greetings. These greetings are used with friends, classmates, or coworkers. Listen first, then repeat with me. 1. Hi. Repeat. Hi. Very simple, very common. 2. Hey. Repeat. Hey. This sounds friendly and relaxed. 3. Hey there. Repeat slowly. Hey there. This sounds warm and positive. Good. Now let's move to greetings that native speakers use all the time. How's it going? Repeat. How's it going? This does not mean a long answer. You can reply with good, not bad, pretty good. What's up? Repeat slowly. What's up? This means, hello, how are you? Not a real question. You can answer, not much, all good. Polite and safe greetings. These are good for work, new people, or formal situations. Hello, how are you? Repeat. Hello, how are you? Simple and polite. Nice to meet you. Repeat slowly. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time. Very important phrase. Time-based greetings. These greetings depend on the time of day. Good morning. Repeat, good morning. Use it until around noon. Good afternoon. Repeat slowly, good afternoon. Use it after noon. Good evening. Repeat, good evening. Use it in the evening. Do not say good night as a greeting. We say good night when leaving or going to sleep. Now listen to a real, simple conversation. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. You? All good. Nice to see you. Simple, natural, real English. Now repeat Paul's lines with me. Hey, how's it going? All good. Nice to see you. Excellent. Practice with me. Now it's your turn. Imagine you meet a friend. Say, hey, what's up? Repeat slowly. Good. Now imagine you meet someone new. Say, hello, nice to meet you. Perfect. Practice these greetings every day. They will become natural. So today, you learned real English greetings, when to use each greeting, how to sound natural and friendly. Remember, English is not about perfect grammar, it's about real communication. Thank you so much for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Fluent World Podcast. I am Paul, and I will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking English every day.